Also we can able to upload the audio data here, then we can able to predict the severity level. This one, neural analysis. So here we can see the A clinical assessment, the severity is none, so there is no depression in this data. So here also clinical interpretation we can see none depression. So just I'm checking, I'm giving another data, maybe for example I'm giving this data 38, I feel extremely sad and hopeless. Also I'm adding that file, so I'm just running that one. Now severity level is severe one, because the data that we given is I feel extremely sad and hopeless every day. So it says the particular person is affected, depressed, very severe. So we can see the result like this, depression. So like that we can use it for any kind of audio and text. If you want to, we can use only audio or only text. Also in future we can able to add the video also. So we'll be speaking in the video and it automatically analyzing the depression levels also. Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you a very interesting project, multimodal AI for depression detection and severity analysis. So in this project we use both audio and text data for the severity analysis of the depression. So we are using the BERT model for the text analysis and the MFCC for the audio analysis. By combining these two, we can analyze the severity level if the person is normal, mild, moderate or severe one. Inside the audio folder, you can see the audio data of the particular person, and in the text folder, we can see the text files. So inside the text files, we can see the multiple text information like I am happy with my work and relationship, like that. So if you go down, we can see the different depression text data. So also finally I have designed a web application, real-time one, so there we can check the severity levels as well. So before that I will show you how to train the model and test it with the help of these two data. So initially we need to load all the libraries here, as well as we need to apply the audio data as well as the text data. So here we can see the data severity labels as well. Here you can see the severity level. 0 means normal, 1 means mild, moderate and severe one. So these are the labels data. So here you can see the configuration. Then we need to load the multimodal data set. So here we can able to load both the text as well as the audio data. Then separately we need to encode that one. So text encoder we have taken the BERT model, and for the audio encoder we have taken the features of MFCC. Also we are using the LSTM model. So finally we have the fusion model. So we are combining both the text as well as the audio data. Then we are going for the training. So here you can see we are loading that multimodal dataset loader and text encoder, audio encoder and the fusion model. So once we load all those data, we can able to train the model and we can able to propagate it. So here we can give total number of epochs, how many times it has to be run, and finally we are getting the loss value as well as the prediction outcome. Based upon that one we can find out the loss as well as the accuracy. So finally we can save the model in somewhere. Once the model saved here, we can load the model and we can test the data. So right now the training is completed. Once the training is completed, we can see the loss and accuracy. We have given 50 epochs, so we are getting the accuracy of 100, the training accuracy. Then we can go for completed, we can go for the testing. So I have designed a simple UI using simple HTML model. So here we can give the text data. I get stressed occasionally, but it is manageable. Also we can able to upload the audio data here. Then we can able to predict the severity level. So once we click this predict severity, so we can able to see the text as well as severity. So here the predicted severity is mild. So also we can see the class probability also. The class probability mild is 99.9 percentage. So the input text and the audio, the outcome will be a mild one. So the depression state is mild one. So these are things. So like that we can give different data and we can check out the result how it's performing. Right now just I'm running the code here. We can see the training loss as well as accuracy also. Now the program is running. I have given 50 epochs, so accuracy is improving from 35 to 100 percentage. Once it's completed we can go for testing also. So in the meantime I have generated a web application as well. So there also it's the same thing, only we load the model and we can give the text description. Also we can load that audio data. Then if you click the run neural analysis we can get the severity level. Also we can get the clinical interpretation as well. So this is the simple application that we can use to check the severity of the depressions. So now here the training is completed. Now we got the multimodal depression model also, it is saved there. Then we can go for testing also. So here testing I'm just running this one. So we need to give two data, text as well as the audio data. So I have given some text data here. For example, I am taking some random text data somewhere. So I get maybe I feel empty, I have trouble concentrating. So I pasted here. I'm right now I need to give the audio data as well. So just I'm giving that data also. I'm uploading the data audio. So now I click the predict severity. So here we can see the result as well. So the result is moderate because uh, the data that we given, I feel empty and I have trouble concentrating. So this shows it's a moderate level of depression. So here you can see the result as well. So now I'm giving another data. Maybe I'm giving the text data from the first one. I'm happy with my work like that. So just I'm feeding the data here. Also loading the file. I mean the audio file. Then I'm just checking that one, predict the severity. So it's none because I'm happy with my work and relationship. So this is text data. Audio also it's a normal one. So it's showing us a class probability is none. None means there is no depression for the particular data. So this is the simple UI. At the same time I have designed another UI model that we can able to see also. So just reloading that one. Here we can give the copy paste that data. Also we can able to upload the data here and we can just run this one neural analysis. So here we can see the A clinical assessment, the severity is none. So there is no depression in this data. So here also clinical interpretation we can see none depression. So just I'm checking, I'm giving another data, maybe for example I'm giving this data 38. I feel extremely sad and hopeless. Also I'm giving the audio file as well. Okay, I'm going to give that audio file as well. So let's check how it's working. So I'm adding that file. So I'm just running that one. Now severity level is severe one because the data that we given is I feel extremely sad and hopeless every day. So it looks says the particular person is affected, depressed, very severe. So we can see the result like this. So again I am giving one more data in between that one. Let's see how it's working. Maybe 24th data. So 24th text data maybe. Here we can see how it's working. So this is the text. I feel sad most of the days and struggle to sleep. So I'm just putting here, also loading the audio data, and we'll see how it's working. So it says severity level is moderate because data is sad most of the days and struggle to sleep. It's not much severe. So but it's a moderate level. Like that we can able to identify the depression as well as the levels, severity levels of the depression. So like that we can use it for any kind of audio and text. If you want to, we can use only audio or only text. In also in future we can able to add the video also. So we'll be speaking in the video and it automatically analyzing the depression levels also. So these are the things I want to show today. I hope you understood. Also we have the code also. I'm uploading the code there. So if any other doubt means you can ask me and you can contact me. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.